Step 2 is quantization technique. Quantization is nothing but we'll assign the values for the particular samples. Samples is nothing but the signal is sampled in the previous step. These samples will be given a particular value. Then that particular value is given to a binary encoding. That is third step. Binary encoding is nothing but we'll have a value for particular samples, and that samples is given to a like the sample values, that is like it is a whole number from 0 to 127. You can see the limit here, minus 127 to plus 127. Then these value will be binary encoded. Binary encoded, you people are already known what is binary encoding. That is if you are having 0, it is, if it is a 4 digit, the 4 bit, then we'll be having 0000. And likewise each and every sample value, that is quantized value, is binary encoded and then transmitted. That's binary value is again given to a last step process, that is digital encoding. Digital encoding is a easy technique, you already know. That is binary encoding. In digital encoding is nothing but we can call that as a pulse encoding, pulse flow. In pulse shape, you people know that if 1 it represents a pulse, for 0 it represents no pulse. If there is no pulse, then 0 is transmitted. If pulse is present, then 1 is transmitted. Likewise, each and every binary encoded value is digital encoded and then given to a receiver through the channel. Through the channel. In the here you have to note that point, through the channel. Through, if you are transmitting any signal through the channel, of course there is a possibility in the presence of noise. To remove the noise, we'll be using some filtering technique in the receiver side. Then these 4-step process is again continued in a reverse order. That is the digital encoder, you will be having the digital decoder as a first part, and second part is binary decoder, then quantization, then it will be given to a pulse amplitude modulation decoding. After the decoding, you can able to get the same analog signal without any error. Then if you are getting the same analog signal what you have transmitted, then you have successfully transmitted a particular message.